Okay, friends, today we're going to talk about a bank that's been making waves in the financial world, Monzo. Now, you might have heard of them, or maybe you're wondering if they're even a real bank. Well, let's dive into the details and find out the truth. Is Monzo a verified bank? Yes, Monzo is a legitimate bank, and it's fully authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This means they're subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional high street banks, so your money is safe with them. But what makes Monzo different? Monzo is not your typical bank. They're a digital-only bank, which means they don't have any physical branches. Instead, they offer all their services through their mobile app and website. This gives them a lot of flexibility and allows them to offer lower fees and better rates than traditional banks. So, what are the benefits of using Monzo? There are a lot of benefits to using Monzo. Here are a few of the most popular. No monthly fees. Monzo doesn't charge any monthly fees for your current account. This can save you a lot of money over time. Low overdraft fees. If you need to overdraw your account, Monzo charges a flat fee of £5 per day, which is much lower than what you'd typically pay at a traditional bank. Easy budgeting. Monzo makes it easy to track your spending and budget your money. You can set up pots for different expenses, and you can see your transactions in real time. Instant notifications. Every time you make a transaction, you will receive an instant notification on your phone. This helps you stay on top of your finances and make sure you're not overspending. Great customer service. Monzo has a team of friendly and helpful customer service representatives who are available 24/7 to answer your questions. So, is Monzo right for you? If you're looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking option, then Monzo could be a great choice. However, it's important to note that Monzo is still a relatively new bank, and it doesn't offer all the same services as traditional banks. So, if you need a bank that offers a full range of services, you might want to consider a different option. Monzo is a legitimate bank that offers a number of benefits to its customers. If you're looking for a modern and convenient banking option, then Monzo could be a great choice for you. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.